everyone. Time for a good old-fashioned flip and drag on a 12 by 12 canvas. Colors I've got going are ARTEZA green yellow, and then hang on a second. This was every blue I had I mixed together, and every violet I had I mixed together. So I did that with orange and red as well, because I had such a huge collection of paints and it was getting so cluttered that I decided to combine them all. And when I wanted specific colors, I would then mix them up. I don't know how. I just don't think I'm ever going to go through those big tubes. I will probably still have them like a year in the future. Yes, I'm going backwards. Like Michael J. Fox. I know in the last video I promised no neon, but this container is empty except for a smidgen, so I am going to use this smidge. And I want to use a tiny bit of silicone, so what I'm going to do is this white paint that has a little bit of silicone. I'm just going to put in there, so very, very small amount. The green open. Purple. These are great. They were 2 for $1 at the dollar store. I should have bought more. Alrighty. Tilt it off this way. Sure how I feel about the direction this is moving. I'm going to I'm regretting the silicone, even though that was I mean, there had to have been almost no silicone in there, because there's like one drop in that entire little squeeze thing, but it only takes a tiny, tiny, tiny amount. Otherwise, if you use more than that, your painting looks like an oil slick. It's like when you put too much hair gel on. I'm liking this though. I thought I was right here, I was getting a cell that was growing, but I was hoping it wouldn't get bigger. At least now that people, they're like, oh, all your paintings, they're not bright anymore. At least I have all those neon paintings to back me up now. That's pretty deep. We shall tilt off some more. Trying to tilt it off without dragging the other side too far. Nothing is coming off. Set it down. It's like, now it's starting to flow off. There we go. Let's see how the rest of the piece is. I think it's pretty good. When I mixed it all back together, that green sure hid. See it a little bit right there. See if I could get any more to come off without me actually having to tilt. That is going to be negative. I didn't want to torch too close because I didn't want this area to erupt in cells. You can see they're starting to come up on their own, which is fine, but I didn't want to force it. I haven't looked at it from this angle yet. I like it. I'm leaving it. The colors sure played nice together. You can see cells popping out right there. but not too obnoxiously, which is good. I like that area. So thank you so much for watching, and I of course will catch you next time. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.